Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing. Thank you for helping us grow the channel together. Today, guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace outer tail light on Hyundai Elantra. We're talking about this piece right here. Left and right side will be identical, and that should cover the generation from 2011 to 2016. Stay with us, guys, and let's go ahead and do that now. Okay guys, we're going to open the trunk now. Okay, right there. And actually what we're going to do, I'll remove that thing out of the place so we can have more room. Okay, you can see left right side are identical. We'll just pick one now. Okay, so this cover right here, there is one notch that you need to push in. Okay, you can see this piece like that, and then you can open it, okay, like that. Next we'll need to remove the tail light. We'll need a 10mm socket, okay, or you can even use a wrench, regular wrench as well, and remove 3 nuts. Careful not to drop them, guys, inside the trunk, okay, because otherwise you have to remove that carpet out of the way so you can get to the nut. Okay, that's what the nuts look like. 3 identical nuts. Okay, and there is something that you should know how to do now, because otherwise you might break the tail lamp. So stay with us. We'll need to disconnect the wires, okay, push in on the center piece and pull out. Okay, that piece, okay, you push in and you pull the wires apart. Next, let me explain you quick. Right here there is a hidden clip that's holding, so you need to pull towards the back. Okay, that's the clip I'm talking about. It goes right here in the tail light. Then you can pull the seal. When you install it, you have to install the metal piece to go between the 2 rubber ones you can see in the groove. Okay guys, that's how you remove the outer tail light on Hyundai Elantra. So you just put it back together in reverse order we took it apart. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.